Okay, welcome to this tips and tricks video for writing. This one we'll be looking at collocations for academic writing. Now, some of you, if you're in the all skills course, you would have heard me talk about collocations for a lot of the time. Very, very important. So you may well want to skip this, but this is for academic, especially writing. So you might want to look at the first part of this video and then skip the rest because you've probably done most of it already. So let's just get going. Okay, so these are the things I'm going to be talking about. Those of you who have not heard me talking about the academic collocation list, the ACL, maybe you just want to stay for that. The rest you should know this, although number 5 over here is new to many people, how to use ChatGPT with collocations. So you might want to skip these 3 in the middle here. Okay, so let's start with the academic collocation list. And I'll just move out here and I'll get this thing to cooperate and then go to the academic collocation list. Okay, so here it is. And this is from the eapfoundation.com, English for Academic Purposes. This is a very useful website to help you to improve your English for academic writing, so especially for academic students. And the ACL is down below here. And it's just it's a huge long table of words like, for example, common and all the words that most commonly come together in the academic context with the word common. So a common ancestor, a common approach, a common assumption, a common characteristic, etc. So take advantage of this if you find a word that you would like to develop and help you to expand on how to use it. Go and find the word in this table and see the common collocations that come with it. I've spoken already about Longman a number of times, and that many times the words are given collocations in this blue table or the blue bordered table. Make a prediction with the verbs, confirm a prediction with verbs, and adjectives like accurate. So don't forget that Longman is great for collocations. Not all of them have collocations. So the verb to predict, we'll look at that later in another video, but this one doesn't have any collocations. Okay, but prediction, the noun, does. The other one I often encourage you to use is OSDIC, which is the dedicated collocations dictionary. And there you've got the noun, and you can see all the adjectives that come with the noun. So accurate prediction, correct prediction, and prediction turned out to be something, turned out to be correct or incorrect. Okay. The other one, if it doesn't appear here, so the OSDIC doesn't have all the words, whereas SCEL, sketch engine, here it is, quite a long one, scel.sketchengine.eu, has many more of the words that you will need for collocations. And so prediction, you can see all the adjectives that come with it, the verbs that come with it, the nouns modified by prediction. And some of them are a bit strange, like here, this obviously, whoever, NOAA, probably sounds a bit like it could be an airline related thing. They've obviously got a lot of data using the word prediction, and so it comes up. So bear in mind that SCEL Sketch Engine just literally looks at the internet and says, okay, there's a very, very, very high chance that the word MSE is going to be coming up with prediction. That's only because somebody has written a lot about the MSE, whoever that is, and a prediction. And you can see it here. My goodness. Okay, so some sort of academic text. So it's not always useful, but there are some useful things to take from it. Okay. Now, the final one in this video I'm going to be talking about is using ChatGPT, and I've already covered this, how to get into ChatGPT in previous videos, so I'm not going to do that again. So here I've just asked it to give me 8 common academic collocations with the word prediction and put them into example sentences. And you can see here that it's used quite high academic English, like an accurate prediction, economic prediction. Down here it becomes prediction algorithm. So it was a little bit too academic for my liking. So I asked it to do the same thing, but with less academic English, and then we get more collocations that are a bit closer to spoken English. So a bold prediction or prediction for the future. Prediction turned out to be wrong. Okay, that I would never write in an academic context, but in spoken English, in the IELTS speaking, I might say that. That's not a problem. Incorrect maybe is a bit more formal way to say it. But remember, I can say, give me 5 common academic collocations that are verbs with the word prediction, and it will give us some collocations with verbs. Okay. So that's it for this one here. And we'll just go to that. And if you have any questions, just let me know in the comments at the bottom of this lecture.